How to fix TikTok analytics not showing. Let's get started. Launch your TikTok app. Make sure you have already logged in through your TikTok account. You will land to the For You page. Now at the bottom, you will find different options. Click on the option of profile. Once you land to your profile page, at the top right corner, you will find 3 bars. Click on it. Go to the option settings and privacy. Now over here, you're going to find different sections. Go to the option privacy. Make sure you have toggle off for this option of private account. Likewise, scroll down. Under reactions, you will find different options. Click on the very first option, comments. Open the option comments and set it to everyone. Hit back. Do the same for all the options that lies under interactions. Set it to everyone. Once you do that, hit back. Go to the option account. Now you have to switch your account to the business account. So click on this option of switch to business account. Click on next. Now here you have to choose a category that best describes your account. And then click on next. Now over here you can type in your email address. Now you can head back. You have just switched your TikTok account to the business account. Once you switch your account to the business account, now click on 3 bars again. You will be able to find this option of business suite. Click on it. Now open this option analytics. Now analytics option is available in your TikTok account. So this is how you can fix TikTok analytics not showing. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.